The spinal cord is the last set of this PowerPoint. The spinal cord is inside the vertebral column and extends from the foramen magnum all the way down to L1 or lumbar 1. Anything that passes that is going to be in the medulla cone or the caudal equine, and that's going to be the back end. So this is going to be the caudal equine area, and then from here to here is the medullal cone, and L1 is right there. So it allows for communication between the body and the brain, and protected by a cone of cerebral spinal fluid. The function is for informational control and conduct. It bundles the nerve fibers passing information up and down, locomotion, of course, and then reflex, involuntary responses. And involuntary responses are done with this thing called a Spinal Reflex Arc. That means you don't have to get this information all the way up to the brain and then back down. It actually has a relay that knows what to do right in the spine itself. And how that works is, so this is a part of the spinal cord. You can see that there's some gray matter and some white matter, which we'll talk about soon. So there's some stimuli. It goes to a receptor, a sensory nerve, and it will go to this association nerve that will connect to a motor nerve and do some sort of effect. So instead of going all the way up to the brain, back down to the brain to figure out what to do, it makes it so there's less travel time for this to occur, and this is what we call reflexes. And reflexes is something like when somebody hits you in the knee, you go ahead and have that stimuli. You have an association nerve that says, oh, something's happening to your knee, we need to gyrate your knee or move it, and then that information is given to the motor nerve as an effect. The spinal cord itself has the gray matter and the white matter. The gray matter is shaped like a butterfly and surrounded by the white matter. The white matter is the area that has the myelated sheaths, and this is the unmyelated. There's 31 pairs of spinal nerves, part of the peripheral nervous system, and they taper to a cone as they get closer to the caudal equine. Remember that equine means horsetail, and that's why it sort of looks like a horsetail down here. Oh, and there's your review for this PowerPoint.